G'day! In today's video I'm talking about recalbox and how to make it quit a game. So to begin with, right now I've got my 4-button arcade stick connected, and these are just a dual USB input. So these switches go back to a PCB, it goes to a USB connection to the board to see it as dual controllers. So sitting at the main menu, we want to go into settings, so I'll press here. We want to make sure that we have under game settings we have press twice to quit. And what I've done with the controller is I've got it mapped, so I'll show you right now. I go into controller mappings, controller settings, configure, press and hold the button, and we're in. Up, down, left, right. Now I'll use this one to go down again. A, B, X, Y. And I'll go start, select. I'll keep going down, and under hotkey I'm also going to set that as select, just because that's a fairly rare button to press. And in the arcade world, that is normally insert coin. So if I go into something like MAME here, and I'll go into Blood Bros, or Blood Brothers, and to quit out of the game I'm going to be able to hold start select, which is hotkey. So if I just tap it once, we put up points. If I hold it and press start, press again to quit. So if I hold that and tap this twice, it will quit out of the game for me. But since I've put in coins, I'll hit player 1, which is start, and we'll start the game. And if I want to quit the game, I can hold down my hotkey /select button. I've got it set to select as opposed to start because I press start a lot more than I do for pressing select. So if I go select, hold, press twice on start, I quit out of the game. And now I'm back to the main menu. So do make sure you do select the hotkey to be an extra button. Probably select if you do have a spare, as any of these buttons here are probably commonly getting used. Same with your directions, of course, and start's always getting used for starting the game. So I'd recommend going select, and then if to quit out of the game, you hold select /hotkey and press start twice. If we didn't enable that press twice to quit, so if we didn't enable this one, as soon as you press select and start once, it will quit out of the game. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.